Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to do a performance video of this Mavic Mini as promised in the earlier videos. To do so we are in Beverley Westwood, the beautiful ground, and then today we're going to try some quick shot in different modes like Helix Mode, Drone Mode, Rocket Mode, and then later on we're going to do a high-speed video on Sports Mode. So first we need to connect this drone to the controller with my phone. So you need this DJI Fly app. So I'm going to connect this drone with my controller. So this is already connected now. To do the quick shot, you need to fly the drone first, and the drone should be 2 meters away from you. So first I'm going to fly the drone. Let's fly the drone.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So we're going to try some quick shot now. So first we're going to try the drone mode. So you need to go to the quick shot and then you're going to select what mode you're going to do. So first I'm going to do the drone mode now. So and then you have to select the object what it's going to track. So I selected myself. So the drone going to focus on me. Let's try it. So I haven't done anything. The drone mode is complete now. So now we're going to do into the rocket mode. Let's try the rocket mode. So same again, I'm pressing on the rocket and then I'm going to focus myself and press the start
3,
button
2,
and
1.
drone will do it itself. So the rocket mode is complete now. Now we're moving on to the next one. So we're going to press the quick shot button again and then we're going to do a helix mode. Let's try the helix mode. As usual, you're going to select your focus. So I'm going to select myself as a focus. Let's start.
3, 2, 1.
When the shot is complete, drone will return to its place itself. Now we're going to try a circle mode. As usual, you're going to press the circle and you have to select the focus point and then start.
2, 1.
Viewers, so far we tried all the quick shots and it all performed by the drone itself. Now we're going to try a sports mode. A sports mode is used to film all the high-speed videos like motor sports or racings and everything. So the drone can fly up to 30 miles per an hour and you have to control the drone manually. So let's try flying on a sports mode.
Take off. level is low, the aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Go home.
So viewers, probably you noticed that when we try to film on sports mode, the drone's battery gone below 20% and the drone was trying to return to home itself. So this is one of the very good features of this Mavic Mini. So that's all about the performance video of this Mavic Mini. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.